Did you know this camera can level up your photography game instantly? In this video, we're looking at Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless camera with the RF-S18-45mm F4.5-6.3 is STM lens kit. The Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless camera paired with the RF-S18-45mm F4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit is a remarkable choice for photographers and videographers seeking high-quality performance in a compact, lightweight design. This camera packs a punch with its 24.1 Megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. It records stunning 4K video and has an impressive RF mount. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for on-the-go shooting. The image stabilization feature ensures sharp and clear photos. One of the most appealing features of the EOS R100 is its ability to shoot in 4K video, making it an ideal choice for aspiring filmmakers and content creators. The 4K video capability allows for capturing ultra-high-definition footage, providing a level of detail and clarity that brings your stories to life. Whether you're shooting a vlog, a short film, or capturing precious moments, this camera ensures your videos are cinematic and professional-looking. The RF-S18-45mm lens is versatile and covers most shooting scenarios. In low light, it performs exceptionally well. Colors are vibrant and true to life. Overall, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and pros. To get this beautiful camera, click on the link in the description below and get it directly from Amazon. Hit the like button if you found this useful,